complaint from Nigerians is beyond what I can handle as it is today. People are complaining. And it happened to me. I recharge my phone, my data line, I use it, and I believe that what I used was not up to 20% of what I purchased. Firstly, I commented last time on the issue of illegal data deduction. This is one of the issues that is worrying me badly to date. Engineer Wakil, making a presentation on behalf of EBC, he tried to defend the operators on one hand and the commission on the other. I was not fully convinced with the explanation. Please go sit down and review that issue. It is very important. And I want to get your feedback with that report in the next 5 working days with the decision on it, because the complaint from Nigerians is beyond what I can handle as it is today. People are complaining. And it happened to me. I recharge my phone, my data line, I use it, and I believe that what I used was not up to 20% of what I purchased. So that is an issue that is very important. Secondly, I directed NCC to review the price of data as well. Downward is very important. Go and look at other African countries that do not have competition like ours, that do not have even population, even 20% of our population. Go and see the price of data there. As a regulator, the main agenda of NCC is to protect the customers. Customer is supposed to be a king, and these customers, most of them are Nigerian. So our top priority should be the interest of customers who happen to be Nigerians. This is another issue that is also very important as well. Number 3 issue, which is also very important, is let us make sure that the penetration of 3G and 4G is expanded. These operators, mobile network operators, we know their challenges and we are working on resolving the challenges. On their challenges, even on this trip to Riyadh with the President, I mentioned the challenges to him as a form of reminder. The issue of vandalization of their facilities, critical infrastructure, right of way. I spoke these issues to the extent that it was not even during a meeting, during our lunch. I said, Mr. President, these are the issues I discussed with you, and we are still waiting. They say, go and work on them. Any challenge you have, please bring my attention to it. And that is why last time when the EBC was here, I said, after every 48 hours, keep in touch with me on this issue. The way we push them to do what is right, and it's the same way we will work for them to make sure their interest is protected. We are here to make sure justice is done to everyone.